Welcome back, Davis Drives on YouTube. I'm JW Davis, and we've got some. Where'd that come from? We had a nice looking lineup of square bodies, and this little guy snuck his way in, so we'll be doing a full video about that one soon. Just don't pay attention to that. But let's look at the rest of them. One by one, we'll go through them, and the cool part is today's video, it's gonna be a little extra editing, a little extra work on the guys, but each one, I'm gonna let you see it zoom by so you guys can see what it looks like rolling down the road. And we've got a couple what I consider mediocres, and we got a couple what I consider pretty sweet. Unfortunately, we don't have any of the ones that I would say are crazy and over the top, but those are over there and they're not ready yet. So anyway, red and white one here, dropped a little teaser in, cruising by, looking good. That's a nice looking truck on either a 4 or 6 inch kit. I think this one's on a 6. 35s that are brand new, 10-inch wide alloys, and it has a brand new crate engine and transmission from Jasper Engines. We've run it through the shop, gone over it. There's some little picky little things that need to be addressed, but not terrible. But a nice looking short bed, fresh paint, front drive shafts in it, got headers on it, and the mileage on it is 218. It took me a second because I forgot this truck actually has the digital dash. Pretty cool. Digital gauges, digital readout, bed cover on the back, dual exhaust, got the Blazer rear bumper. This is what everybody sees on Facebook or Craigslist and looks like $1 million from the pictures, especially if they're all edited up. Let's get that before somebody gets a nail in their tire. And it is a decent truck. It does need some finishing touches. Again, it's been through the shop. We got some things that we want to address just as far as little things. And it can also be taken to a much crazier level if you want to do tires and wheels and other things. But she's there. She's painted. Some people don't like the way it's been pinstriped, would rather have it have trim like the truck beside it. It's all into what you're into. It does have a rear spring lift kit, so they did not skimp on what they did. Beautiful truck. And it has a cow hood. $39,900 on this truck. Dual shocks. Like I said, some of these, I was talking with a guy yesterday. He said, a lot of your videos, you're just like, buh, buh, buh. When you get used to the level we like carrying trucks to, which of course also carries them to the high-end level of, some of them are over $100,000. I know that's not for everybody. I get it. You get used to that. You know, you want the truck to be nut, bolt, perfect, smooth, all brand new stuff under the hood, all brand new drivetrain, and that's great. A lot of people do it at home themselves. That's awesome too. Everybody has different abilities. Some can't. So when it comes to these a little bit less expensive ones, sometimes I do get a little disappointed or frustrated, but you know, again, to most people, they love these trucks. Like this truck would blow most people's freaking mind. And it's cool because single headlight with the light in the bumper. You guys guess what year that is for those that are true enthusiasts of square bodies. Tell me what year that is. While we're doing a guessing game, tell me what year that one is. Let's get back to it. Another short bed. Actually, all 4 of these are short beds today. Watch this one zoom by. Woo! She's looking good. We got 4 inches on this truck. This truck has very fresh paint, a very decent interior, tinted glass, cloth seat with the leather on the edges, fresh carpet, dash looks like it's either we're really lucky and it's not cracked or it's been replaced. Manual window truck, automatic truck, air condition works on this truck, 4 inches, 35s, 10-inch alloy wheels. We got a couple little things to finish up on this one. Needs a couple lock and lug nuts that we took off. It's got a spray and bed liner, but very trivial last minute things on this. And AJ jumped into all these and drove them this morning. He's the one driving in the clips. Christian's the one doing the video, and I'm the one driving the car. Trying to pay attention enough so we don't crash and everything goes as it's supposed to. But another decent truck. Paint is not flawless. It's not a $20,000 paint job, but it looks good running down the road, and it looks good in person. Now we're going to take one step up. And what's the price on this one? This is actually one of the least expensive. Yeah, $29,900. This is actually, I think, the least expensive square body currently in the lifted, semi-fixed up / restored stage of things. Jumping over to red and gray truck here. So this truck is sitting on 8 38s, 14 wide welds. Either 8 or 10 on this one. Better check the website. Sorry, lot bouncing around this little head, big head this morning. 38 boggers, which are very new, 14-inch wide welds, 3/4 ton 8 lug converted Scottsdale 10. Does not have a Dana 60, but other than that, it is 14 bolt. A good looking interior. And AJ loves driving this one because it's got a pretty nasty small block. So if you guys haven't seen the video of this one running yet, scroll back a little bit. You'll also see that this one we two-toned when we got it in. It had a little imperfection on the bottom of this door. So we actually two-toned the paint, put fresh trim on the truck. Probably should have washed them before we did these videos, but very, very, very strong sounding small block in this truck. Also has a spray and bed liner in the back and a bed cover on the top. Moving over to blue. Blue truck is a 1-ton Dana 60, 8 lug, 10 inches, 38s also, and 12 wide wheels. So you guys that want to see differences of tire, same exact tire, 12-inch wide wheel, 14-inch wide wheel. So you can kind of see how the tire's puffed out, bubbled out a little differently. That's the 2 inches of rim width. This one's more flush, this one pulls in a little bit. Just a little look of comparison. And guys, we do hear you in the comments. We're going to try to do more as far as showing you guys the lift heights and all, because I know a lot of y'all are ready to order stuff, get stuff, drop your truck off to the shop for Brian and Daniel to work on it, and you kind of want to know what they look like. We have customers that come in the showroom all the time to look at trucks just to determine what they want to do to their truck size-wise. So we'll do more comparisons like this. That's just happened on accident, but a little bit more lift, same tire and wheel, little skinnier wheel. This truck has the Davis Offroad track bar. It has the Davis Offroad power steps. For those of you that ask how much better is it to get in and out of, well, let's open it back up. Step here, not bad. You know, not a bad angle. Yep, that's not so good. Helps a lot. This truck's had a new seat put in it, new dash pad. It's got the autometer gauges in the dash. It's got a really small steering wheel. Somebody probably definitely want to do something different with the steering wheel. It's got the automatic shifter in the middle, so not to be mistaken for a manual. It is an automatic. Decent door panels. I mean, it's got some old school stuff. Truck's been repainted. Truck clears the tires perfectly. It does have crossover steering. That's the Davis Offroad bolt-on track bar. The fenders have been clearanced and actually shaved and repainted, not just cut. So this truck will actually run as big as a 42-inch tire at its current form. Billet grill, cowl hood. Dang, the blue truck must feel alone. It's the only one out here without a cowl hood. And I'll show the steps on this side. You can see with the light a little better. They're just smooth. Freaking slick, smooth. One of the greatest things that has ever come out, and thank goodness, Davis Offroad came out with it. But those are amazing. Small block under the hood, also with a big cam. This truck does have an aggressive locker in the back and or a spool. Not as friendly when you're turning tight turns. For you guys who don't understand that, if you want posi track, the tighter the posi track, the more it's going to chirp a tire. That's what this truck does. If you wanted to change that out, that's no problem. Flowmaster mufflers, dual exhaust, traction bars. And hopefully, AJ, you remember where to drop these pictures and videos in. And always remember, Even when you watch the video of that brown and tan truck, she's no beauty queen. I literally just drove it myself to go get a drink, a snack, and fuel. All of them are going to be acceptable trucks. Are they acceptable to your level, your neighbor's level, a car show level? That's completely up to your mentality. The biggest problem I've had recently with customers calling is, again, they kind of ask my opinion, and I feel like I scare people off a little bit because I get over descriptive. Whereas when people show up, and I've never done a video of a vehicle, and they see it sitting across the street and my uncle's finishing it up, and they're like, how much is that? And I'm like, well, it's roughly 50 grand. I'll take it. You know, they're tickled to death. Sometimes we get a truck and they see the video and I'm pointing out all the imperfections just because that's how we want to do things. It almost scares people. But realize all of these trucks are different. All of them are different design. All of them are different for the next owner. No two trucks are going to be the same. One other cool thing, disc brake conversion on both of these trucks. And that one has the Yukon, and that one has, I think, the bullet built cover. I don't know what to say, guys. Cool lineup. 4 of our currently 20 square bodies, I guess. Which one's right for you? I don't know. Is a crew cab better? Don't know. Is a long bed better? I don't know. Is a truck on 10 inches with 38s better, or a truck that's stock with 31 Michelins? I don't know. That's up to you guys. So we'll help accommodate you. Tan and brown truck we're getting ready to do next. AJ has dropped in these videos, and we're going to finish off with all of them edited together, zooming by, driving down the road at 40, 50 miles an hour, looking great. Thank you guys for all the support. We love it. New merch is in. Giveaway is on the video prior. So if you did not watch that one to the end, watch that last video. You'll know how to enter for the new merch. Brand new. Have not even shown anybody the design yet. Thanks a lot, guys. Stay tuned for more.